Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through Poros in Manchester. Poros is a small area or district just on the outskirts of Mandeville. Mandeville is the capital of Manchester and also the largest town in Manchester. So if you look on the left, you'll see a stall where they sell fruits. You have pineapple, but this area is very famous for tangerines, oranges, grapefruits, those kind of fruits. You have a lot of shops or stalls on the roadside that sell the stuff. And this is a main road in Jamaica. It connects you from Clarendon to Manchester or from Maypen to Mandeville. And this is a main road, so this would fall under the NWA, National Works Agency. They are responsible for maintaining the road. And you just saw the potholes that we had to drive through, literally come to a complete stop to go through the potholes. So the NWA needs to take a look at this road. This is a main road. You shouldn't have potholes like that on a main road. And this is a very busy road. If you want to get from Kingston to Mandeville or Santa Cruz or Westmoreland, this is the road you're going to have to take if you're not using the highway. This section of the road, for a main road, you would expect it to be in a better state than this. And the NWA, that agency is in the Ministry of Economic Growth. They're actually doing a very good job in building out the highways, but when it comes on to maintaining these roads, they seem to be falling short. They definitely need to look back at it. It's good to have the highways, but you also need these main roads to be in a better state than this. Alright, so we're entering the town of Poros now. Of course, you see the taxi just stop in the middle road or in his lane. Something that happens all the time in Jamaica. Every day, persons just stop in the road. He was waiting for somebody to get into the taxi, but he could have easily pulled off to the side of the road. There's a lot of indiscipline on the roads in Jamaica. Alright, so this is the actual town of Porus now. I don't know if you'd call it a town or a district, but this is Porus. Here is another example. The car is just stopped and just blocking the road. Here you have the Porus High School on the right, the Unipet gas station on the left. Gas station seems very busy. And somebody was commenting that they asked if all the gas stations in Jamaica have attendants, or do we have self-serve gas stations? But all the gas stations in Jamaica have attendants that pump the gas for you. Apparently in the US, you have self-serve, and the person was from England, and they were saying they have self-serve over there too. So I guess that's one of the benefits of living in Jamaica. You don't have to pump your own gas. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.